today I read for you, Taking Life by the Horns. You decided to thrive. You considered the moves, pointing in the directions of the unknown. With a trembling heart, a fearful attitude, a less confident self, you still moved. One right step, one small step, one unexpected step. You keep moving, forcing the hand of destiny to open its doors wide open, just to let you in order of life's evolving cycles. Life opens up to you, showing you secrets hidden in plain sight. Everything, living and non-living, cheering on to you. The ancestors dance, the youngsters cheering, the peers marvel at the achievements. You keep moving far, for as far as you know. Even the sky isn't your limit. Taking life by the horn is what you do best. Talk to you soon. Keroy here.